This is Andy with QualityStocks. Today's Tuesday, April 20th, 2010. We're going to revisit WikiLoan. It's a NASDAQ bulletin board stock trading under the ticker WKLI. This is a stock chart that we took a look at previously, and I want to leave these annotations on there because they're kind of prudent at this point to keep an eye on them. You can see the lower indicators. The reason we looked at it was because they were set nicely to make a bullish move. And yesterday it did make a nice move. That ADX is still set perfectly for longer term. These the indicators such as the MACD and the PPO they're just now breaking into positive territory with the histograms. We want to see these break these trend lines. They're kind of trending down now. We want to see these things start to slowly curl and make their way north. Establish this as a longer term reversal. Everything else still set nice. Trick's kind of in the same position. We want to see this cross happen and see the whole flow of this chart to start making its twist back up north. Full stow, plenty of room, just now breaking through 50. Everything's still set nice for this to have found a bottom here after a nice move over a couple months from the beginning of the year to a healthy pullback. Now it's hopefully this found a bottom again and is going to make a move and try and challenge the top here in the next month or so. Important thing to note here is that's why I want to leave these trend lines and these support and resistance levels on here. Yesterday it smacked right on the 50-day moving average, which is always a difficult resistance level in classic TA. So now if it wants to fight this 50-day a little bit, that's okay. It'll move. It'll trend sideways. We'll let the Bollinger, as long as it stays to the upper side of these Bollinger Bands, that's a bullish chart. We'd really want to see it hold over 20. It'll get some more support here on the 200-day moving average down at 16.5 cents, but it gets some pretty good PPS support at 20 cents. So I'd really like to see it hold that. That's provided it doesn't run right through this today, because the charts, like I say, are still set nice. This can make a strong move. Important thing to note about WikiLoan is it only has about 8 million shares in the float, so this can move very, very easily on a relatively low volume. You can see yesterday 506,000 shares was actually an increase over typical average volume per day. It's had a couple different days it's peaked up a little bit above that, but volume is typically a little bit lower. So volume picked up yesterday to 506,000 shares, and it went up and challenged this 50-day moving average. So we want to see it try and hold now in between this channel if it's gonna fight that resistance. You can see it'll see some more. I'm kind of in through this area around 31 cents, 30 cents. Right in through there will be its next challenge after this 50-day moving average, or next PPS resistance. If it moves through that, then this is going to be probably challenge the top at 56 cents. Obviously, that's still a ways away. It's over 100% move. Right now, I wanted to look at this again because of where does it go? It's hitting that 50-day. That's going to be a very tough point for it. I wouldn't be discouraged if it can't get through it today, but let's see it hold over 20 cents and continue from there, try and move forward. This is Andy taking a look at WKLI.